Fuck everybody. Fuck the government. Fuck school. Fuck Waleed. Fuck Paul's dumbass. Michael, yeah, if you had a spirit animal, what would be being a human?
That'd probably be a human.
You know, actually, that's not exactly a flattering answer. Humans are not very good people.
They're animals, though. They're animals. They are animals.
I would be a, a homosexual. That's my spirit.
So you're Paul?
Yeah. It's called death, bro.
Oh.
It's called
Death of Andrew. Wait, what happened to your big one?
Watch out, watch out.
Oh, right.
Oh,
Shoot it. Oh. Revive me, Andrew. Revive me, Andrew. Oh my god. Oh god. I'll just run past this guy. I'll run past this guy too. Oh my god, Andrew. Oh my god, Andrew. We're both. Andrew, what are you doing? They're calling.
wait, if you like die, like you don't spawn until next round, and
oh, I'm dead. I died.
yes,
Oh, we finally died.
yes.
We finally
They're
died.
dead. They're all dead. They're all fucking dead.
We finally died. Oh my god. 38 rounds. Let's see. We started at 2 o'clock. We started at 2 o'clock. Alright, let's play another game, Andrew. Let's play 5.
No,
Let's play 5, Andrew.
bro, stop that shit. I'm fucking.
Oh, wait. Let's play it.
Let's play, guys. Let's play.
We can't do this.
Sorry,
We can't do this.
Alright. How do you feel, Andrew? How do you feel?
I don't feel anything. I can't feel anything right now. I feel kind of happy, but at the same time, I wasted 3 fucking hours watching this bullshit. So I don't know.
Alright.
How would you feel, Michael?
I don't know, man. I feel pretty good, man. I feel
pretty good. Okay, then I can say I feel pretty
Because
good.
I'd be the one playing, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Fuck you.
Oh, I didn't get the fuck you part actually.
Aw.
Alright. We'll end this recording session here.
We're eating fucking chicken wings.
From napkin. Bam!
Yeah, he's not scared.
Alright, so this is for Meetup, and we were just at Andrew's house. I think I had some footage of his dog earlier. But we're here back at PCD Tofu House, which the price is pretty expensive now. It used to be like, I think 3 years ago, it used to be like $10, right? Yeah, so we're back here, and we're about to order, so. Alright, so we got our food. I ordered assorted. Both Andrews ordered beef, original beef, and then Chris ordered pork kimchi. And what do you think so far, Andrew?
I mean, the food is good, but those of you that couldn't come today, y'all are missing out. That's all I gotta say.
Alright. How about you? Umzir,
Pretty good. I like it. Yeah.
Waleed, come back. Come back, Waleed. We need you. I mean, we don't need you, but we want you. I mean, yeah, come back, Waleed. Come back, please. We miss you.
Some real words just said right there, man. Alright.
I got it from Snapchat.
Alright, so all of us are finished.
We're
as you
full.
can see.
We are full.
What would you rate that meal, Slugs?
I rated a full out of a full.
4 out of 4 out of 4.
A full out of a full.
Alright, what about you, Chris?
4 out of 5.
4 out of 5? What about you?
4 out of 5.
4 out of 5. Yeah. I'd say 4 out of 5 as well. Maybe 3.5. It was just Sundubu basically. Yeah. Quite filling. Alright. Oh, Chris.
Go get it, go get it.